There is no doubt that batteries for energy storage are going to be incredibly necessary for the energy transition. I'm here today to tell you why 100% European batteries are going to lead the world in the lowest cost, very sustainable, and incredibly safe battery technology. My name is Eloisa, and I'm the CEO of Enerpoly. Enerpoly is a Swedish battery technology innovator, and we work on zinc-ion batteries. Our battery technology is based on the research of our CTO and co-founder, Dr. Milad Chamoun, and it is suitable for 2+ hour duration energy storage. And the innovation that we have is that we've solved the 70-year-old problem of making alkaline batteries rechargeable. So zinc and manganese dioxide are what is used in non-rechargeable alkaline batteries. What we do is we make them significantly more rechargeable so that we can have the same advantages of an incredibly inexpensive and abundant supply chain, an established supply chain, as well as established recycling infrastructure, and bring that into the stationary energy storage market. Now, keep in mind that alkaline batteries and the supply chain that has powered alkaline batteries, this is the same supply chain that has already powered battery giants like Varta, like Energizer, and Duracell. So this is a significant advantage that we are building off of, and we can do it in Europe with a competitive advantage. Here's why. So here we can see how much lithium we have in Europe, and the price of lithium in the last several years. If we compare that with zinc and manganese dioxide, we have significantly more in Europe, and this is already established. If we wanted to make Enerpoly zinc-ion batteries with the zinc and manganese that we have in mining capacity today, we could make 370 gigawatt hours of batteries. We're not going to do that because we still need to galvanize steel. But it is a very compelling reason to look at zinc manganese dioxide, Enerpoly zinc-ion batteries for stationary energy storage. On top of that, the price volatility is, commodity pricing was incredibly volatile between 2022, 2023, and all that time, zinc and manganese dioxide remained very stable. And this is something that we continue to expect in the future as well. So what does that mean for what Enerpoly can deliver with their zinc-ion batteries? Well, we solve several problems that we currently have in battery energy storage today. First of all, cost. There is a high cost in battery energy storage and a supply chain that is highly dependent on China when it comes to the materials as well as the battery manufacturing equipment. Also, sustainability is still an issue, and it's a growing concern. We want to be able to meet our net zero targets. And thermal runaway is a large risk, especially in safety-critical applications and in certain areas where there's high population density. What Enerpoly will do is be able to reduce the cell cost by 25 to 35%. And the reason that we can do this is that our bill of materials is fundamentally, intrinsically, lower cost than lithium iron phosphate, as well as sodium ion. So the expected bill of materials cost that we will have in 2030 is half that of both LFP and sodium ion. We also use a 100% European supply chain. That is in the battery materials, as well as the equipment. And this is something that a lot of battery companies in Europe cannot say. We'll have 70% lower CO2 footprint than LFP batteries and lead the industry, expecting to be one of the top 3 battery manufacturers when it comes to sustainability in Europe and top 1% in the world. And also, with superior safety, zinc-ion batteries do not have a risk of thermal runaway. We don't have any components that can initiate that process, and it's a very safe battery. So, where are we today? Enerpoly is currently building our 100 megawatt hour per year production plant in Stockholm. And we expect that to reach the start of production next year and be fully ramped up by 2026. We expect to also put up a first gigafactory and have it ramped up by 2029. And in 2030, we will have less than $50 per kilowatt hour cell cost. By 2035, we expect to have double-digit gigawatt hour battery production per year. And, as I mentioned before, be in the top 3 most sustainable battery companies in Europe. Now, David has very kindly mentioned that we the importance of a very strong team. So on our team, we have expertise in energy operations, private equity, battery innovation, sustainable materials, building battery gigafactories and industrializing them, procurement in the renewable energy industry, excellence in process development within battery manufacturing and dry electrode manufacturing, commercialization of non-lithium ion technology, and scaling up of organizations. We are looking for investors and are currently raising our Series A. This is how you can get in touch with me. That's my LinkedIn. Thank you so much.